Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have OMG Network Daily Update. I know you're all waiting for that. Thank you for watching and do not forget to join the monthly subscription to trade 200 altcoins with an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. You will also get personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in technical analysis, market updates, manual system with buying and selling opportunities, and many more benefits. Buy me a coffee / mind your crypto. Link in the description down below and in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's proceed quickly into a non-biased technical analysis right there. So what we have is for OMG against Bitcoin. We are at the support we were talking about yesterday. We had huge buying pressure right here, you can see. And we hope that we can go from here even higher. So now, if we found a little bit of a buying pressure in these price levels we talked about yesterday, then the first resistance level will be the 0.301889. Okay, so we have a very high resistance level back here, and of course we have a very high resistance between this area right there. Okay, so between this blue line we have a very high resistance in this rectangle, and I will put two price labels, the 0.30s 2054 and the 0.30s 2109. Okay, so we have a huge resistance in these levels in case we find buying pressure. You should not be buying all your money for OMG against Bitcoin in here, but you should be going through a little money in case we find rejection here and go back down. Because as I talked to you back then, we will be making lower highs and lower lows unless we establish a way towards the upwards. You can see on the daily frame that we are right now on TradingView, we are on the 1 day. And what does this mean? It means that each candlestick contains 1 day of price action. Okay, so we are going back up. You can see that we have an oversold situation, but not an extreme one. The RSI is not yet below the 30 to say that we have an extreme oversold situation. For the time being, where we are is that around here we might be having a swing high, then go back down. Okay, so in order to be secure about OMG against Bitcoin, this is not the right time. However, we have a very strong support line over there. That's why we found the buying pressure right here, and it is very possible from there to have a nice swing high after the 24% correction in just 1 day. Now 5% plus a 4%, you can see that we had a total correction in just few days of around, if I start from here and go here, 43%. That is huge. Let's go to the 4-hour frame. You can see it better right here on the 4-hour frame. 20-day MA crossed down the 50-day MA. Now we are finding support level in the levels we talked about. We have an oversold situation going on. You can see the risk metrics. We have an extreme bearish market for OMG against Bitcoin. It happens as we have the impulsive waves. The opposite is having the bearish market, the extreme bearish market as we call it. Okay. So right there we found huge buying pressure, not bottom tweezers unfortunately, but anyway, we were about to have bottom tweezers, but we didn't for just a few cents. Okay, this was for just few cents, and now we might be going a little bit higher. We will see about that, or going sideways from here, okay, and we go higher again. But the thing is that we might be finding rejection on the 20-day MA. This is where the bearish market will start again and will restart. If we find rejection on the 20-day MA or the 50-day EMA, then this will be bad. However, right now we found huge buying pressure on the support levels we mentioned, and this is good. So now we can go to OMG against USDT chart. You can see that we went to 11.386. Okay, 11.386. Of course, we had the first support level right here, and as we talked about, I told you that you should be buying some small amount of OMG, not much, okay, because it is very possible to just have a swing high and then correct back. Now though, if we want to see, for example, some very nice price targets for it, I would just redraw a fib retracement from this top right there in case we found a little bit of a bottom down to this top, a bottom, okay, top to bottom. And you can see that we have some very important resistance levels. I would say that this area right here is a very strong resistance level area, including the 20-day EMA. And I think that it will stop on the 20-day EMA. For example, if we're about to have a swing high, we are going to stop there and go back down. The best buying entry, the next best buying entry will be the 10.46 for you. Okay, so we have first the 11.386 and second the 10.465 in which you will buy more. This is not a financial advice of what I'm saying, but this is for educational purposes. I strongly believe my opinion, so I want to help you. Okay, so right there, if we do that right now, if we have a little bit of a sideways situation or a swing high, we are going to find rejection on the 20-day EMA, probably a little bit below the target, or at the target we have at 12.5. all right, and then we are about maybe to get even lower, because on the daily frame you will see that we can correct even more. The RSI can correct even more. However, it is very possible that now we find a little bit of buying pressure, you know, right here around this area, and start to go sideways and then have a nice pump up over the next few days. But keep in mind that we are on the first target. We have the next target right here. You should be buying some OMG right now, not much though, because you want to do a leverage buying strategy. For example, you want to buy more here, okay, you want to buy less here, you want to buy more and more and more. So you know all the targets, you know the targets for the short term. We are not bullish yet, so be careful, and do not forget to join the monthly subscription to trade 200 altcoins and take easy profits. We are waiting for you. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos.